In version 4.5 of the MainWP dashboard, we added 2 new features that enable you to find sites that don't have a certain plugin or theme installed. The first feature is the new Per Site view added to the Manage Plugins and Manage Themes pages. This gives you a new way to visualize which plugin or theme is installed on child sites. The second new feature is the new Not Installed status, which can be selected when searching for plugins and themes. So let's showcase these 2 new features by finding all sites that do not have a certain plugin installed. First, select the child sites among which to look for. In this example, we'll select all sites. Then in the Select Status dropdown, select the Not Installed status, and in the Search Options field, type in the name of the plugin you want to search for. Click the Show Plugins button. The table will now show all sites that don't have that plugin installed. The only available view of the table when searching for plugins or themes with Not Installed status is Per Site. That means that you don't have to switch the view prior to searching for Not Installed plugins or themes, and also that you cannot switch the view to Per Item while viewing these results. We hope you'll find these additions to the MainWP dashboard helpful. If you like MainWP tutorials like this one, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.